Hey loves, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's Jackie here and this is JAZZETS, Jackie and JAZZETS. Y'all already know, okay, I've been being consistent with these videos and I already told y'all can get these videos one way or another. So boom, I decided to do inventory haul, because I get inventory on all the time, because I don't really have a set day of ordering inventory. It's like when I get low on something, okay, I do a little jot down on my notepad or whatever everything I need to order and from where, and I just make it happen, because I don't like for stuff to be out of stock on my site, point blank period. But hey y'all, hey, have a seat, relax. This shouldn't be long, so I shouldn't be rambling or anything or whatever. This box I haven't even opened yet, so y'all gonna be just as surprised as how whatever look in there that as I am. But I'll start off with this right here so I can get it out of the way, because I'm actually deciding not to keep this because I changed my mind after I got it, because I thought about it. And I'll show you, because it's make a lot of crunching noise, so I'm going to actually have to work with it and then talk about it, then put it down so you won't have all the crunching. But these are the poly bags that have the like the zip lock at the top, and you can get the machine to seal the top or whatever. Like you would find a whole like nuts and snacks and stuff in it like this or whatever. But I changed my mind about it, because I was going to put my Versagel base in here or whatever, but I really like the idea of having the jars and it's not messy, and you can dip how much you want out of there, and plus, okay, you can use it for storage, and you know, just don't get it everywhere. So like if you put it in the jars and it's not all the way filled up, you can still add your glitters, colors, or whatever you need to add to them, and you can still use it as a storage and it's not messy. These, once you put the base in here, like getting it out is a hassle. Oh my goodness, like getting it out is a hassle, and you pretty much can't reuse it. Well, you can't reuse it, and it's just a no for me. So for whoever using the bags or whatever, like I'm thinking about, okay, the customers after they get it or whatever, that as far as, okay, them using it and getting the best use out of it. Now if I agree, it is too easy to fill it up. All you got to do is open it up, sit it down, and pour the stuff in there, squeeze it in there, and boom. But me thinking about after my customers receive the package and them using it, this is gonna be a no for me, because it's too messy. You imagine sticking a spoon in here to put some in a bowl and using how much you need out, whatever. Imagine sticking that in there, and then see the other ones, like the original pouches that the base comes in, like when people started purchasing some from TKB, it has a little spout on it, and that makes it much easier. But for you to unzip one of these things, let me show you. Yeah, to unzip one of these and pour or dip some out or whatever, it's gonna get all, it's just, that's too messy for me, and I don't want my customers to have to go through that. So I think these, because these are the smaller ones, so these had been 29 and some change, and these were 32 and some change, and they were, it's 100 in each pack. So I'm going to be doing a return on these, because I don't want, and I got these from Amazon, so I'll be taking those, taking those to Kohl's drop off sometime next week to do a return for these, because I can't get jiggy with those. My next one, I want to do this so I can push it and get out the way, because I'm actually doing a live tonight, so I'm going to need all of this cleared out. Believe it or not, I changed this whole room around because I got tired of it being one way, and within, I say 20 minutes of me completing the whole thing, United States Postal Service felt the need to come bring boxes and leave them on my porch and I got a whole lot of shipments and everything. So within 25 minutes of me actually getting it completely clean, which it hasn't been like that in a long time because I be busy, I wish I could show you this floor right now. I got shades and glasses spread out everywhere for me separating and opening boxes or whatever and stuff that I've opened or whatever. So much for that. But it will be clean back in a minute. But this is my sunglass shipment I got in, and I'm not gonna do open and show and tell because I'm actually doing that tonight on my live. But these are some of the shades that I got in, which they'll be available on my site for wholesale. And these come in the brown color and the black color. These right here, I already had a style on the site. These are the same. It looks like this, but these have like a square shape to it, but it's the same thing. It's the vintage where they open when you put them on the bottom. It sits at the bottom. Really cute. So cute that I had to keep fast for myself. And I have these is in, oh, where did I put those? I had to take me one out. Yeah, I still got on sleepy clothes, yeah. Working. Ain't no need for me to even get dressed and get ready to rain outside. But these right here, I know they're not for everybody, but for people like me, they're for me, yeah. The ones that think outside the box, but use the bling. It has the rhinestones on it. Oh yeah, I have those. I put those came in with that too. I'm just gonna be sliding them out the way so I can try to kill two birds with one stone. Did I say that right? Hope so. Yeah. Okay, and the next ones are, these are unisex. They look like that. They come in the smoke, charcoal, the smoky brown, and they come in the clear. And all of these are up for wholesale. My followers wanted me to break them down from the dozen and do a half a dozen. It makes it also easier for someone if they wanted to, if they're smaller and they wanted to sell more than one kind of shades or sunglasses, they can buy half a dozen and of one and half a dozen of the other one, so they can offer more at one time. But I also have the plain ones. They come in brown and they come in the black, but you get both brown and black inside of the wholesale box. What's next? How did that get turned over? I ain't supposed to do it. I have this style. All of it is that color, these shades, and they come in all colors. They come in yellow. They come in the pinkish red. They look pinkish red. They have the blue, the smoke color, and the clear. It's like a grayish clear. Okay. Why am I put the top on that and I'm getting ready to do a live anyway? But yeah. And I have these. Most people have the square ones, but I like these better. This is the round shape ones with the bling on them. And again, all of these are wholesale for wholesale. And I have this style. They come in all colors in the box. My favorite is the blue. My favorite color. And they have the silver. I think I got, what kind is this? I think it's another Oh, that's another one of the clear vintage ones that I have. And another thing that I got in. Oh, I forgot all about these. This is also unisex. It has the gold at the top. They come in gold and like a rose gold color. I think I got like 10 styles. But there are some more on the site already. And those came out to be like 300. Yeah. 305 for that shipment of shades. I also got my packing tape in, and I ordered it from Sticker Mule. I forgot, I ordered something else from them before. I think it was some stickers. That was a long time ago. But this is from Sticker Mule, and it was $39. The tax was $3.51, so it was $42.51. And that's my packing tape, my paper tape, so I can send stuff off in style with my logo, like when I'm sending boxes or whatever. All you have to do is take it out, unroll it. This is the sponge that comes with it. Wet the sponge and put it on the other side, and that's how it sticks. And inside of it, it just has the instructions, and they sent me a coaster and a sticker, like where I'm gonna stick that at. And that's my packing paper tape. I didn't know which one I liked more, this logo that I made or my original one. Like I asked my family, and half like this one and half like the other one. So I ordered another one with my original logo on it, which is that logo. So it should be coming in next week sometime. Okay, now we can open. Where did I do them scissors? Oh, here it go. Let's open this USB here. And this was from Uline, of course. You see the thing, and it was I paid $87. Oh, I forgot what's in the box. I know I ordered some buckets, but I forgot what else I ordered. I ordered so much, y'all, I forget what I ordered. We leave the box on the porch. Get the box, I'd be like, I don't even know what that is. Then I open the box and be like, oh yeah. Fragile. What I ordered Fragile? It said Fragile on the box. I don't remember. Oh, I hate these damn peanuts. I hate these peanuts that come in the box. You're getting all over everything. This is a big box. Now I'm gonna have to clean up peanuts. Okay. We try not to get them. Damn, one already fall. And here they go on the floor. Oh, those are my containers. Oh, and a book. Catalog book that comes inside of it. Show you how this looks. I think these are my 5-ounce. These are the 5. Let me open it up. Let me see. These are the little buckets. Oh, I thought these was a different size. I'm not supposed to play with them. Oh goodness, these are small. They need to change that picture. I thought they was bigger than this. Well, anyway, I guess I'll be putting some base in here. I cannot with them. I know they all these damn peanuts for that. Oh, here go the lids. A whole box of peanuts in them 2 little boxes. Yeah, no, those are the 12. Let me read this daggone thing, cause that mean adding up. Oh, 6 ounce and 10 ounce. Yeah, this is the 6 ounce. Look, I'm small. And this is the 10 ounce. It's 48 in here and 36 in there, supposedly. And again, this was 87.74. So yeah. And as y'all already know, I don't throw nothing away. So these packing peanuts will be used to ship orders. So I'll put it in a bag to get it out my way and probably put it in here. Make sure ain't nothing else in there first, because if I throw something away, I ain't got no business. But that's what I got in yesterday. And I have stuff arriving all the time. I just said, okay, oh, let me do a video. So that is it for this video. Just wanted to share with you guys some stuff that I got in. If I did a video on every inventory, child, no. I'll just, like, when I get more than 1 or 2, 3 things in, I'll do a video. But excuse me, but other than that, that ain't gonna work for me. But thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos, because they coming. Y'all see it, y'all see it. And check out my site if you have a small boutique. Hey, if you got a nice size boutique, I'm pretty sure something on there that you can add to your boutique or store. It will catch your eye. And what else? You can follow me on Instagram, because most Instagram, they see everything I get first, because it's much easier to upload. All you have to do is snap a picture, do a video, boom, post it. Otherwise with YouTube, you have to make the video, edit the video if you're editing it, upload it, put all the, you get the gist. But yeah, see you in the next video. And remember to always be you, because only you can do it best.